Pansin nyo, yung mga accounting system ngayon, wala nang voucher-voucher. Bakit nga ba? I always encounter this question, especially kapag yung kausap kong accounting team, medyo traditional ang proseso, medyo matagal na yung business, and naging critical part na ng accounting process nila yung vouchers. So, para sa mga hindi nakakaalam ano yung voucher, ito yung papel na iniikot to facilitate a specific transaction. Sama-sama kadalasan yung PO, supplier invoice, cheque, tas ipapapirma yan for approval. Now, the problem with new generation of accounting systems like Zero, One Accounting, and Soho Books is that hindi nakasama sa features nila yung voucher. Bakit nga ba wala na? Three reasons. One, these systems promote a simplified, straightforward transaction processing. Kaya binabawasan yung madaming layers eh. Number two, pwede ka nang mag-attach ng mga supporting documents dun sa mismong transaction. Kaya hindi na kailangan ng papel. And three, approval can now be done online with permanent historical trail. So yes, once you use new accounting systems, maninibago ka. Okay lang yon. You just need to bring in the mindset that we'll need to simplify our processes. Hindi kasi pwedeng old school practices when using new generation of accounting tech. This is the power of accounting automation, and if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Lagi tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.